Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Advance Aquaclean 18 FLX carpet extractor. In this overview, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to properly maintain your equipment to keep it running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, in the back of the machine, a couple of things you want to look over before operation. Go ahead and check your main power cable here. You want to make sure that it is not burnt or damaged in any way. Your ground plug is still attached. You want to make sure that your wires are not exposed. There's no frays or anything. Go ahead and move up to the control panel here. You want to check your switches to make sure they're not stuck or broken. Go ahead and look at your circuit breaker and make sure it's not tripped. Also, here is your lever that raises and lowers the handle assembly. You want to make sure that that's not damaged in any way so that you can operate the machine properly. Okay, right on top here is your recovery tank lid. You want to go ahead and remove the hose right there. Go ahead and take that off. Just check over your recovery tank lid for cracks or anything like that. Flip it around. Go ahead and take a look at your recovery tank lid gasket as well for damage or wear. Okay, let's take a look at your hoses. You've got a two-part suction hose right here. There's a bottom, and then there's an upper one. You want to go ahead and check those for any damage, maybe holes or anything like that. Right here is your solution drain hose. You want to go ahead and check that out and make sure that's okay. It doesn't have any holes or anything like that in it. And then right here is your recovery tank drain hose. You want to make sure that the cap's in good condition, and again, that there's no holes in your hose. Okay, right here is the knob that raises and lowers your shoe, which in turn raises and lowers the brush. You want to go ahead and make sure that that spins freely and that's not broken at all. Okay, if you remove the recovery tank lid, right here is your vac motor housing cover. You want to make sure that that's not broken or damaged in any way. Underneath it is a gasket as well. You want to make sure that there's no gaps and it's not broken or damaged. Right here is another gasket. You want to make sure that that's not damaged. Inside your solution tank, there is a solution filter. You want to make sure that that's free and clear of debris and is not damaged in any way as well. Okay, you want to go ahead and look at your left and right main wheels. You want to make sure that these aren't cracked or damaged in any way. And also right here is a lever. This actually, you have more water flow versus less water flow. You want to make sure that the lever is not broken or damaged and actually spins. Okay, right here is your vacuum shoe. You want to go ahead and give this a once over for any damage. And you also want to look inside for any clogging as well. If it's clogged, you can actually remove these Allen heads and clean it out. Underneath the shoe is your brush roll. You want to go ahead and check your brush roll for any wear and tear or any damage. Now, after the brush roll and underneath it, you want to go ahead and take a look at your solenoid spray nozzles. There's two of them. Just give them a quick look and make sure that they're not damaged or clogged. Now go ahead and take a look at the inlet side of the solution hose to your solenoid. You want to make sure that there's no holes or clogs in that as well. And that about wraps it up for this machine. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.